Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I just wanted to talk to you real quick about our next round of on our fertilization weed control program, which is our last fertilizer of the year. This has to be done between now and the middle of September, and it's a very, very important fertilizer application for your turf. The reason for that is your turf, believe it or not, even if it doesn't look like it, it probably does look like it, has been pretty stressed this summer. Yards always are going through a lot of stress during the heat of the summer months. And as the temperatures start to cool down, as we get a little more moisture, late in the summer and into the fall months, your turf is going to start to recover and regrow, and it needs some nutrients to do that. So now's the time to get your last fertilization application of the year down. Again, that's from now till the middle of September. We still like to use a slow release fertilizer for this application to give you some longevity with those nutrients. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you get that done. Very, very important, just as important as the previous two applications as well. So, need any help with that or have any questions? Just let us know. Thanks.